Imagine having more energy, being more active, and reclaiming your confidence. Maybe you want to feel more fit and engaged while doing the things you love, like playing with your kids or participating in recreational activities. Whatever your reason, chances are what you really want is fat loss and muscle gain. Unfortunately, the entire health and wellness industry is focused on the wrong thing: weight loss. Muscle is denser, takes up less space than fat. That's why people with the same height and weight might wear totally different sizes. It all comes down to their own unique ratio of fat to muscle. You don't need to be frustrated by your scale any longer. Modere has been pioneering safe and scientifically backed products for over 30 years, and our latest innovation is a new generation of body-shaping products that focus on what really matters: fat loss and body composition. It's a first-in-the-world combination of technologies that accelerates fat reduction, reduces fat cell size, reduces fat cell formation, improves muscle tone, boosts metabolism, burns more calories, and promotes lean body composition. This isn't some trendy, overpriced diet program. It's called the Lean Body System, and it's a revolutionary way to transform your body, no matter what your starting weight or fitness level. Succeeding with the Lean Body System is simple. We've even included a free, comprehensive program guide with user-friendly tips and tools designed to encourage and support you every step of the way, so you can watch a whole new you begin to emerge. Since the launch of the Lean Body System, over 1 million people just like you have decided to make a transformation and found success with Modere. Here to explain the incredible science behind the Lean Body System is Modere's Science Board member, Dr. Lisa DeRosimo.
The Lean Body program not only incorporates trim, which accelerates fat loss, blocks the fat from getting into fat cells, burn, which is used to increase your metabolism and decrease cravings, and activate. We have an exciting new program of recipes as well as workout suggestions. So you have a team support. You're covering all the bases when you use the Lean Body system.
So the choice is yours. You can continue to waste time and money on fads, or you can join us today and finally take control of your life. At Modere, we believe you are worth the effort, and we know you can do it. Begin right now by contacting the person who shared this video with you and get your special $10 code toward your first order. Start today. A brand new you is just around the corner.
I've got 2 young kids, so I don't stop. But I needed something that was going to help me get my pre-baby body back. So I was introduced to the Lean Body System, and it just taught me how to be kinder to my body and be more aware of what I'm putting into my body. And I think that, along with the products, helped me get to where I am now, and I've lost over 43 pounds with the Lean Body System.